Alright, lesson 16, finding the sum of arithmetic sequence given in sigma notation. So give you sigma, and from there you have to get the sum. Right, so problem 1, given summutation p starting 1 ending at 2, 2p plus 5. We will always be required to find the first three terms, even if I start with the last question. So for term 1, in place of p, I put 1, 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 5 gives me 7. For term 2, 2 times 2 gives me 4, 4 plus 5 then gives me 9. And for term 3, 2 times 3 plus 5, 6 plus 5 gives me 11. Alright, to use the second part, I can say the last term would be 2 times 20 plus 5, 40 plus 5 gives me 45. My common difference t, 9 minus 7 is 2, 11 minus 9 is 2. So as you can see, we're dealing with the arithmetic series. How many terms are there in the series? Very important. We're going to catch you out with this. We say top minus bottom, and we always add 1 because I'm ignoring 1 when I'm subtracting. You see 20 minus 1 gives me 19, but I have to add from 1, so therefore plus 1 gives me 2010. So to find the sum of the series, I'm going to use the Sn formula, equal n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times t. Right, there's 20 terms, so n becomes 20, and 20, and 20. A, first term there, as you can see, is 7, and t is 2. So 20 minus 1 gives me 19, 19 times 2 gives me 38, plus 14 would give me 52. 20 divided by 2 is 10, so 52 times 10 gives me 520. Or I can say Sn equal n over 2, a plus last term. So n again is 20. My first term is 7, my last term there I got is 45. 7 plus 45 gives me 52, 52 times 10 gives me 520. So whichever way you want to go, that is how I would find the sum. Let's look at the next problem. Right, so problem 2, given summutation, I'm starting 1 up to 60, 2x minus 3. Then find the first three terms. So term 1, I substitute 1, 2 times 1 minus 3 plus 2 gives me minus 1. Term 2, 2 times 2, so after 1 I have 2, so 2 times 2 gives me 4 minus 3, which is 1. And for term 3, after 2 we have 3, so 2 times 3 minus 3, 6 minus 3 gives me 3. Again, if you want to use this formula, a plus l, we'll find the last term, 2 times 60, which is 120, minus 317. Common difference, 1 minus minus 1, gives me 1 plus 1, which equals 2. So how many terms are there in the series? Again, remember, I need to know n to get the sum, so that would be top minus bottom plus 1. So 60 minus 1 plus 1, which then gives me 60 terms. Right, find the sum of the series. So Sn equal n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times t. N is 60, so wherever you see n, I place 60. A is minus 1 there, so a is minus 1. And t is 2. 60 minus 1 gives me 59, times 2, which is 118. 118 minus 2 then gives me 116. 60 divided by 2 is 30, and 30 times that would give me 3,480. If I use the a plus l formula, n again is 60, 60 divided by 2, 30. A is minus 1, and my last term is 117. 117 minus 116 times 30 gives me 3,480. So hope you enjoy, I hope you understand. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, sigma notation. Alright, so yeah, just to give you one trick question, there's many of them, but I'm just doing the basics that you should have covered in class. So now I'm starting by 3 and I'm ending by 8. Alright, so first problem, determine the amount of terms in the series. It's naturally for you to assume to 8 minus 1 plus 1, but here we're starting by 3. So 8 minus 3 plus 1, that gives me 5 plus 1, which is 6 terms. Right, to get the sum of the series, this simply means I start x plus x plus x plus x plus x 6 times. Oh, I short the x there, but yeah, 6x. So I'm starting by the first x, which is 3. After 3, I get 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I say 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 7, 25, plus 8 then gives me 33, and there I got the sum. My apologies for the x there. There must just be a sixth x there. Alright? So hope you follow, understand, like, share, and subscribe. If you don't, then I'll stop making videos. Right? I'm just joking. I love helping learners with maths.